Good afternoon, students. Today I am starting Class 7 History, Chapter 1, Part 1, Rise of Christianity. So, in this lesson, we will be dealing how Christianity came into being and how it was started. So, before I go further to the topic, we must understand history is always been divided into three periods. Now, you must be looking forward why Miss is teaching us all this, because whatever chapters we are dealing in class 7, it deals with medieval period. So you must understand the meaning of medieval period. So it lies between ancient period and modern period, in between. That's why it is called medieval, and in Latin it is called in middle. So that's why it is called medieval period. Before going towards European history, let's first understand our own Indian history. So, when did medieval period actually started in India? In India, it started from 8th to 18th century CE. Again, further divided into two periods: early medieval period from 8th to 13th century CE, and later medieval period from 13th to 18th century CE, which was usually divided into Delhi Sultanate period, which started from 1200 to 1526 CE, Mughal dynasty 1526 to mid 18th century CE. Most important fact we learn is in this chapter is that medieval period in India does not correspond, or it does not relate to any of the medieval period in other parts of the world. Over here, one thing is very clear, that we cannot relate Indian medieval period with European medieval period. Actually, the medieval period in Europe, it started from about 600 CE to 1500 CE, and the process of a period, the process or a period of changing from one state or condition to another, from medieval to modern period, was not so much unexpected or not so much sudden. It took place gradually over a period of time, and this is making you clear to understand that whatever topic we will be starting further, it will help you to develop your knowledge about how Christianity came into being, when did it started, how it happened, and it did not took just like that. So this division of period is helping you in many things in this lesson. Thank you.